Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use subtotal function in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn Excel, how to use this subtotal function, so this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this table. So this is bill number, this is name of item, laptop, mouse, keyboard, mouse, and a TV. This is quantity, this is the rate of that item, and this is the total amount. Okay, so now we are going to use subtotal function here. Okay, so to use subtotal function you have to just click on just equals to, then type subtotal. Okay, then here it will ask for fraction number. So here you will see these are the fraction numbers. If you want to find out average, you have to just click on average. As we are going to find out the sum of that amount, so we have to just click on sum or 9. Okay, just type 9 comma. Here it will ask for reference 1, so you have to just click on this. Okay, now bracket close, enter. So this will be the total amount. Okay, this is the total amount, and I'm going to use this comma. So this is the total amount of this. And if you use the filter option, okay, just click on it, go to data, and we are going to apply a filter here, and we select only one item. Okay, so this is the keyboard, and apply filter. Here you will see individually, you can see the item, name of the item, their quantity, rate, and also the amount, total amount. You can find out by just click on this filter option. Okay, you can also find out the average by using this method. So to find out average, what you have to do, equals to subtotal. Okay, then we are going to find out the average. You have to just click on 1 comma there. So this is the reference number, bracket close. So this will be the average. Okay, so like this you can use subtotal function in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.